One of the big areas that where we see there's room for improvement, or where growers would need help, is with data. There's now a lot of nice sensors available that can sense certain things, but we don't have a very good platform to get where a grower can save all that data and have it accessible and have it interchangeable between the different companies that he or she is using in order to sense things. So we really want to break down these data silos, and that's why we are doing this project actually.
Yeah, I think what we're doing out here will be really beneficial. We have, several different entities out here planting sensors out in this block of trees here, and sort of bringing all these different sources of data under one umbrella, kind of making it a one-stop shop for growers to get the best, most accurate weather data they can.
Innovate Ag is focused on empowering growers with data. We do this by partnering with many different sensor providers to pull in their data, along with education partners such as Washington State University, Oregon State University, and then bringing that together into a data warehouse and then into a dashboard view so that a grower can see actionable data that empowers and enables them to make decisions that impact their bottom line.